If you're having trouble making purchases on the Google Play Store, here are some common fixes you can try. First, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. Next, open the Google Play Store and check that you're signed into the correct Google account. Then tap your profile icon and go to Payments and Subscriptions to confirm that you have a valid payment method added. If your payment method is already set up, try removing it and adding it again. This can refresh your billing information and resolve payment errors. You should also verify that your Google Play country matches your current location and payment method. To check this, open Settings in the Play Store, then go to General, Account and Device Preferences and review your country settings. Another useful fix is clearing the Play Store cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, select Google Play Store, tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. You can also repeat the same steps for Google Play Services, since it handles many purchase and billing functions. Finally, restart your device and try the purchase again. If you're still unable to complete purchases, the issue may be related to your payment method, account verification, or regional restrictions. In that case, contact Google Play support for further assistance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.